Dr. Oz and John Gray, author of Venus on Fire, Mars on Ice, spoke about shocking ways your hormones are affecting your marriage. One problem that couples often have is that one person becomes hungry and cranky, which can lead to unnecessary fights. And I have to admit, that is definitely something that occurs in my marriage. So John Gray said that whenever his wife is upset, he says let's eat first and talk about it afterward. Gray also created what he calls a Marriage Saver Smoothie Recipe that helps to stabilize blood sugar, balance hormones, and may just save some marriages. Here is how to make the marriage-saving smoothie. Dr. Oz Marriage Saver Smoothie Recipe. Ingredients: 1 scoop of undenatured whey protein, 1 teaspoon of maca powder, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, 1 teaspoon of cacao powder, 1 tablespoon of PGX powder, handful of goji berries, 1 teaspoon of acai berry powder, 2 teaspoons of molasses, 1 drop artificial sweetener, 1 tablespoon coconut oil, 6 to 8 ounces of water. Ice. John Gray Marriage Saver Smoothie Recipe. Directions: 1. Place all of the ingredients into your blender. The key ingredients are the undenatured whey protein, the maca powder, and the PGX powder. So if you want to play around with the other ingredients, you can create your own version of this smoothie like Dr. Oz said. 2. Blend thoroughly and serve right away, and voila! Marriage saved. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel.